Hi everyone, I am Megha and welcome to my channel Perkymegs. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Also, it's Bumper January 2018 where we are having videos every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Hi everyone, I am Megha and welcome to my channel Perkymegs. So today's video is about how to apply blush perfectly. Now as a beginner, we always wonder how to apply blush correctly because sometimes too much looks like a clown and sometimes little bit doesn't show up that much. So what should be the perfect way to apply a blush? So let's start our beginner's blush tutorial. So the first rule is a 2-finger rule. That means you don't have to go beyond your 2 fingers. Like you don't have to go beyond this. Now where to apply blush? The high point of the cheeks area, there you have to apply the highlighter and just make a fish face like this. So this is your hollow of the cheeks. So between the hollow of the cheeks and the cheekbones, there you have to apply the blush. And you don't have to go beyond the 2 fingers like this. So you have to start from here and you can go up to the side of the temples. So let's see closely how to apply the blush. So all you need is a blush and a blush brush. Morphe E4 is my favorite. Another good option is PAC 333 brush. And Real Techniques blush brush is also really good. Now take your brush into the pan and swirl it into the pan and tap off the excess like this and then apply in short strokes on the cheeks. Do not apply too much blush at once, just build in steps if you feel that the pigmentation is not enough. And after the short strokes, just move the brush in circular motion to blend it really well with the skin. It makes sure that you don't look like a clown and it looks really well blended. So this was how to apply blush and have naturally flushed cheeks, very easy and simple. So this was all about how to apply blush. It was quick, easy and simple, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my Hindi channel Perkymegs Hindi for Hindi videos. Thanks for watching. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.